What's going on, guys? Man, Ty here, back in another video. Today I'm gonna ask you a question. Is this the most annoying sound you ever heard? Because to me, it is.